Today I'm going to show you how to install a screen door for your home. I'm going to fit that onto here. It's always important to have all of your installation parts. Make sure you have all the pieces and expect for any damage. Expect everything. Edges on the side, make sure it's all there. You can always call manufacturer for misplaced parts. Next up I like to do is to install some of these rails on the side. This lip here should be installed always on through here, but there is a guided for this. It's supposed to be weatherproof. See how perfectly it fits on there? Now this door is a 32 inch, so it's gonna fit perfect here. So here we're gonna have to drill in, screw it in all the pieces, and we should be good to go. You guys, please look at your instructions. So now that I installed the top and side rails on, I'm gonna install over here the hinges on the side. But what I like to do, these holes here, I'm gonna convert it on here on the side. I'm gonna drill a hole on the side, obviously put a screw in, and then lift it up to the actual door itself and drill it in and screw it in, and we'll be back in business. Now if you're uncertain where to drill or screw on the hinges from one of the rails, side rails, onto the door, you could always dry fit it. It's always better to set things up twice than drill it once. You go drill it again, it won't be the same, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Make a hole with this drill into these holes and screw it in. So now that we got all the screws in on the rails, we're going to go ahead and hang it up. Now here's a little trick for some of you guys out. For a spacer, I like to use a cardboard. See how it evenly spaces out? I mean, you can have somebody else with a pry bar or a screwdriver kind of opening it. I like to use a cardboard. It's easy, it's there, don't cost you nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up on the side. Up next, we're gonna install the door closer, some of the hinges, and some of the hardware inside the door itself, inside the house. So we got it all. Okay, so I installed the hardware inside. I still have not installed the handle yet, how it works without the handle yet. Open, close, see how it is, just going slow. And it should flush all the way through, that's what it's doing. So you can always adjust the closer on the side with a little screw, and that is a Phillips. So just go and install the handle and I'll get back to you. All right, we got the door handle in. Drilled 3 holes. There was a template in the box itself. Show you where to do the holes. See? Tells you the template. Put these on the seam and then drill it in. Put the striker over here, and you adjust it down here if you want to. But let's look at the final product. See how it closes? And if you can hear it, it closes. Thank you all for watching.